Hey there. So welcome back to this channel. And if you are in Uganda and looking for a quick, reliable way to access a small loan through your phone, you have probably heard about Send. But maybe you are wondering, how do you actually sign up? Is it safe? What do you need to get started? Those are the questions many people ask. But today, in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create your Send account from downloading the application, submitting your first loan request, whether you're a student, a small business owner, or just need some extra cash before payday. This guide is for you. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to apply in less than 10 minutes. First, let's talk about Quicksend. What is it? Quicksend is a mobile lending application available in Uganda. It offers short-term loans directly to your mobile money account, usually within minutes if you qualify. It's designed for speed, convenience, which is actually convenience is part of it, and it makes it perfect when you need it urgent. So when you need this money urgent or financial support, this application is ready to help you. Before we dive into the registration, here's what you need so that you can be ready for the application: a smartphone, Android or iOS, a valid national ID, your Ugandan national ID, an active mobile money number, MTN or Airtel, registered in your names. So also another a few minutes of your time. So what you have to do as you're looking on the screen, I'm just showing you what you can do. So you use these words, use the concept on the screen, and you'll be able. So download as earlier seen in the last 10 seconds. Download and install the application. That's the step one that you have to do. Open your Google Play Store if you're on Android or App Store if you're on iPhone. In the search bar, type Sente Uganda. Look for the official app. It usually has a green and white icon with the words Sente. Once you find it, tap install and wait for it to download. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. After installation, open the app. You will likely see a welcome screen with some info about their loans and interest rates. So tap get started and all register now because there are some how twisted. Register your account because now on this here we are going through the registration process. The app will ask for your phone number. Enter the number linked to your mobile money account. This is important because that's where your loan will be sent if approved. Next, you will receive an SMS verification code. Enter the code into the app to confirm it's really you. After verification, you'll be asked to fill in some personal details: your full name, date of birth, email, national ID. Take your time here. Make sure everything matches exactly what your national ID, exactly what's on your national ID, and any mismatch could delay your approval. Make sure you have to complete your profile because if you're a first-time loan application, you have to make sure that your profile is very well stipulated on the account. Your employment status, your monthly income range, the loan purpose, whether emergency, business, or it's for education. Employment status, they need to see if you're employed, if you are self-employed, or you are employed somewhere. If you're a student, so they can gauge and see. Then you'll be shown your initial loan limit. For first-time users, this is usually a small amount to start with. You also see the repayment terms, the due date, and the interest. So read this carefully so that you can agree their terms and conditions and proceed to submit your first loan request. Send will review your application. This can take from a few minutes to a few hours if you approved. You receive the money to your mobile account only if your account application has been received. But now I want to give the important tips and reminders that you have to be sure that they are always correct. Before you go there, I want to show you that you have to borrow respectively. Only take what you need and what you can be able to repay back. That's what I can give you as a financial advisor maybe. But as a tech guru, I can just say Take your time and only take the money that you can afford to pay back. Repay on the time because this improves your credit limit for future loans. Keep your app updated to avoid technical issues. And so when I talk about technical issues, here I mean like when you have a loan that cannot be closed even though you have paid, that will be a total problem on your side. Contact Quick Sente support if you face any problems. Their contact is usually in the app under the help or support. Their numbers are available as you can see them. So I want to show you that this application has been helping many people. As you can see currently on the screen, they are giving me 500. That's the maximum account money they can deposit for me. And this remaining time, they want to see if they can be able to assess and calculate your voiceover. So uh, that's it all. Basically, you see that the 140,000 has been approved. Loan amount, I can be able to take that right now. So you are now ready to create your quick send account and apply for your first loan. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. So guys, if you have any questions, something you like me to cover next, drop a comment below. I read every single one because I have to reply you all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more helpful guides like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. But before that, if you know that you have been using multiple loans application, avoid this one. If you have been a multiple borrower, your information is already captured on many platforms. You have like 90% chance that your loan will be rejected. So in that scenario, what will you do? Because you destroyed your own credit history, you will not be able to get money from these mobile applications. Now, the guidance I can give you, just use one application, talk with the customer care if they can deduct on the percentage, which is not really possible sometimes, but talking with the customer care will always have to help you in the future loan endeavors because your credit history determines what you do. Remember, these applications are registered with CRB. They do CIB checks on your NIN, they do CIB checks on your past mobile numbers, your closed numbers. So you will not be able to become a multiple borrower on this application. So guys, if you want money from this app, it's okay. Go for it. Thanks. See you in the next video.